I guarantee you've been asking the question, how can I become an Amazon best-selling author? Have you asked that question before? I guarantee you have. I know you have, okay? In this short video, I'm going to tell you how to do it, okay? You ready? Give me a few seconds and let's do it. Number one, you want to establish you a Kindle Direct Publishing account. kdp.amazon.com. Go set up the account just like that right there. Put your information in and you're on your way. After you do that, then go into the create section and hit create. And what you're going to do is create an ebook. All right. And after you create the ebook, you put your title, the subtitle, and a brief summary and fill out the other details on along the way there and put your book up on Amazon on pre-order. Got it? Create your KDP account, put your ebook up on pre-order, and then go out to the world and tell everybody, buy my book. No, don't tell them buy my book, buy my book. Tell them I got a resource that's on pre-order on Amazon and it's going to help you. Okay? Let them know it's going to help them. And after you let them know it's going to help them, tell them it's only 99 cents and they all need to buy it today. Now, you need to get them all to do it on the same day and then watch your book go to the top of the charts. Now, friend, I just can't tell you all the details in this short video, but if you want more help on making your book an Amazon bestseller, then I want you to click on the link in my bio that's in the description below. Find the link somewhere below, drfredjones.com. That's my website, but click on the link below and there's a class or a training so that you can gain access to more details and how to make it happen. I'm Dr. Fred Jones reminding you your value is unlimited, your worth is without measure, but your price is what you're willing to accept.